or quantumize, pwede po ba nating sabihin yon? Scalarize stem cell in the entire world. Woo! And that is something that is amazing because it is really aligned to the frequency revolution. What am I trying to tell you? Hindi nyo pa po iinumin, hahawakan nyo pa lang po. You can already do the balance test, the strength test, the flexibility test, and
The meter
even the
test.
radiation test.
Yes.
Woo! Meaning it is demonstrable. Wow! Such an opportunity. And why am I so excited about this? Because this is something na kung sasabihin po natin, pangit mang pakinggan o tingi-tingi. But we are giving an opportunity to 80 to 90% of the Filipino people who deserves a break. 80 to 90% of the Filipino population deserves a great break. Why am I saying this? Because this product, it is a plant-based stem cell product that is scalarized.
Wow.
It is demonstrable. You can hold it, you can demo it. And it is packaged in such a manner that even those people na makatabi mo sa sasakyan, and they don't have the 1,000, the 2,500, the 6,000, the 8,000 right away. But you will demonstrate it to them. You can tell them, can you just do this? Or we will be teaching you how to do it. And then you just do a very simple test around in less than a minute that you can do. And you can actually give them the opportunity to try the product because they will be blown away by the effect without drinking it yet, without taking it yet. Just the frequency within the product, it's demonstrable. Then you will capture their interest, and so they will have the opportunity to buy from you because it is packaged in such a manner that it's really affordable. Okay, so I'm excited with this, and even then this product po is I don't know if I can say it, but it's something that is very natural, very aligned to our iTera care, because if there is a way to hit the bones, then all diseases can be treated. Why the bones? Because the bone inside has bone marrow, and the bone marrow is actually the factory of our stem cells. So our iTera care is an activator of the stem cell. Plus, given an opportunity to already have a supplement that is also a stem cell, so it complements with the product that we have right now. So it's like a double-edged sword. It's really gonna bring in so much of the energy, the vitality, plus the beauty, because it has ding, 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 ding. It has glutathione and collagen together with the stem cells. So it is actually a herbal mixed stem cell product that is a supplement, and we are really looking forward that soonest it will be out in the market and can bless a lot of people, and at the same time can really help in our program. Because the program that we have right now, which is the ninth and the 10th way to earn, needs consumable product. And this is a match. You will be amazed how passive income will really flow to all of us not just to the elite, not just to those who have money, but even those people who have dreams to fulfill. God bless everyone, and I'm just so excited to you, and I declare that